The American green tree frog, scientifically classified as Hyla cinerea, is a captivating amphibian species endemic to the southeastern regions of the United States. Renowned for its striking emerald green hue, this diminutive tree frog boasts a vibrant coloration that can vary based on environmental factors and individual mood, offering a fascinating glimpse into the adaptability of these creatures. Typically measuring around 1.5 to 2 inches in length, the American green tree frog exhibits a slender body with smooth skin. One of its distinctive features is the presence of adhesive toe pads, enabling it to effortlessly climb and cling to a variety of surfaces, from vegetation to the sides of buildings. These remarkable toe pads contribute to the frog's arboreal lifestyle, allowing it to navigate through its habitat with agility. Primarily nocturnal, the American green tree frog is most active during the night. It often inhabits areas near freshwater sources, such as ponds, marshes, and swamps, where it finds both suitable breeding grounds and an abundance of prey. Despite their small size, these frogs play a crucial role in the ecosystem by controlling insect populations. One of the charming aspects of these tree frogs is their vocalizations. During the breeding season, males produce a distinctive call resembling a short, musical, queen sound. This vocalization serves the dual purpose of attracting potential mates and establishing territory. Observing the American green tree frog in its natural habitat provides a captivating glimpse into the delicate balance of nature, showcasing the intricate connections between these amphibians and their surroundings. As these frogs continue to thrive in the southeastern United States, they remain a symbol of biodiversity and the resilience of wildlife in diverse ecosystems.